Hey there. It's Andrew. Well, this is my custom bike check, if you ready for it. But, okay. Um, First off, we're going to start with the front, like everyone else, because I'm bandwagon. For the front wheel, I have stolen revolver, likes to stolen whatever front hub comes with the stolen revolver front wheel, and small dropout. I don't know how to say that, but the forks, Haro Team Edition forks, good forks. Ran them for a while. I like them. Headset, it's standard. Don't make fun of me, but it's a Haro headset. I love Haro. I have Haro spacers because I'm boss, and stem is the Haro V2 stem. Rolling hard. Bars, S&M Perfect 10. No, I mean S&M Grand Slams. Sorry, my friend behind the camera is making me laugh right now. And my frame, Haro 200.1. Yes, it is mostly high tensile. Leave me alone. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot my grips. I'm running Colt Vans grips in gum. Yeah, I just broke them in. Pedals, 3 agents. Bottom bracket, Haro 175 millimeter cranks. Seat, Haro, I don't know, like it's in between a fat seat and a slim seat, but I like it. Haro, non-pivotal seat post. People make fun of me. Alienation, black sheep rim. I thought it was a 7-Up, but I looked at it and it's a black sheep. Laced to whatever kind of Alienation hub comes with the stock black sheep rim. Oh, tires. I'm running Haro, La Mesa, both front and back, 2.0 in back, 2.40 in front. And for this side, yeah, you see that it's dialed. See that? Okay, so for this side, I broke my chain at the skate park a little while ago. So it was like a week ago. So I've been like pedaling like a scooter. So I'm hoping to get a Shadow Half Link soon or a KMC. I don't care. I think they look cool. Okay, my sprocket, Haro 25 tooth. And am I missing anything? I don't think so. Seat clamp is beastie. So that's my bike check. Comment, like, subscribe. Give me that thumbs up, bradies.